Incredible 3-minute manifestation experiment. Manifest anything you desire in 24 hours or less. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big beautiful eagle. We're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon. So be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click that bell icon. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life. Listen, have you ever been wondering and maybe even doubting a little bit about the law of attraction? Does it really work? How does it work? Can I get it to work? And sometimes people will say, you know, Robert, when I was younger, I could manifest anything I wanted. But as I've gotten older, the manifestation has slowed down. So whatever the reason is, we go through these peaks and in valleys, up and down, between feeling like we are on top of the world and have the ability to manifest anything and everything we desire, and those times when we go, gosh, I can't manifest what I really want the most. I mean, I really desire to manifest this, but it's just not working. I want you to try this 3-minute experiment with me. And you're going to prove to yourself that the law of attraction works for you. And once you have proved to yourself, your subconscious mind will begin to believe it. Your subconscious mind will say, hey, I absolutely believe that whatever I put my mind to, I can manifest, and I will manifest. Remember, the late, great Dr. Wayne Dyer said, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. So this is about becoming the attraction manifestation magnet that you truly are. So high flyers, the law of attraction is based on the law of vibration. It's one of the 7 ancient principles of creation. Everything in the universe vibrates. That's not mysticism. That's science. Everything vibrates. Similar vibrations harmonize or align with other similar vibrations. That's how we attract. That is exactly how we manifest. Likes attract likes. So if you desire to attract something, you have to be in vibrational harmony with whatever it is you desire to manifest. High flyers, everything you desire, anything you could want, already exists in the universe. The universe is simply going to align with your vibrational interior, and it's going to match it in the vibrational exterior, and you're going to make the invisible visible. The late, great Stephen Covey, in his book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, says, in all things, there are 2 creations, one within and one without. So in other words, as the ancient emerald tablet says, as above, so below. As within, so without. You create it in your mind, it must manifest into physical reality. It's a certainty, high flyers. It's a law. It's not a, I tried this thing and it didn't work. I tried this and it did. It must work if you create it strong enough within. It's a absolute certainty. One of my favorite quotes, high flyers, is from myself. You have no limits on what you can desire. Therefore, you have no limits on what you can manifest. High flyers, when your intentions are not clear and they're clouded and they're disrupted by counter thoughts and negative thoughts and fears and doubts and uncertainty, then manifestation becomes muddled. It slows down, and sometimes it even stops. So high flyers, do this law of attraction manifestation experiment that we're doing right now. I'm going to give you the directions, and you're going to do it to increase your positive thoughts, to increase your confidence, to increase your certainty, and most importantly, to increase your personal power. So high flyers, in this experiment, we're going to find something neutral, but something that is inspiring. Okay? It's important that when you manifest, that you not just manifest any old thing, that you manifest something inspiring, because every victory in manifestation, in creation, in attracting, leads to additional victories. And we're going to manifest this in 24 hours or less. Some of you, I know, some of you will manifest it in 10 minutes. Some of you, 30 minutes. Others in a few hours, and still others within about 24 hours or less. Okay, are you ready? This is my beautiful eagle that sits right behind me where we do our mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. And it reminds me to soar above my challenges in life, to overcome them with my abilities, with my eyesight, and with my personal power. And that's exactly what eagles do. So I have this eagle here, and I want you to just kind of look at it, get in touch with it. And if you'd like to, you can even close your eyes for a few moments and see an eagle in your mind. Maybe if you don't have eagles in your area, maybe a different bird of prey, a hawk, or some other falcon, or some other type of bird of prey. But anyway, you might see it in your mind, or you can focus on this eagle. Whatever works for you. Just see an eagle in your mind. You might see that eagle soaring high above all the challenges of life. As you are focusing on this eagle right now, focusing on the eagle in your mind, say this in the back of your mind. You don't have to say it out loud. You can just say it to yourself. I am soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. As you're thinking about the eagle, I also want you at the same time to think about something that makes you happy. Could be an ice cream cone. Could be going on a ride. Could be hiking in the mountains, surfing, whatever it is. Think about something you enjoy doing that makes you happy, makes you feel excited, makes you feel wonderful. For me, it's probably going to Disneyland. Okay, so you're thinking of something that makes you excited. You're thinking about the eagle. Now, say these words or write them down, either one. I have manifested a big, beautiful eagle that is already present in my life. I have manifested a big, beautiful eagle that's already manifested in my life. Let's go ahead and put the eagle down. So high flyers, the last part of this is very important. I created a clear intention, an absolute intention that says, I believe that the eagle that I desire to manifest in 24 hours or less is already present. And I am simply opening my eyes and I will see it. It will appear before me. You see, when you want to manifest something in your life, you must have an absolute clear intention. It's essential, high flyers. And so visualizing that eagle, feeling that happy feeling, what you're doing is you're attaching, you're linking the happy feelings that you have with the eagle, and that puts energy into it. As Neville Goddard says, feelings are the secret to manifesting. So you're going to see this eagle, but more importantly, you're going to inspire others because you're going to come back here within 24 hours to this video and you're going to write it down below. Now, if you decided on a different bird of prey, that's fine. Or if you decided on a different object altogether, that's fine too. But share it right below here. Thank you so much. You have a great day. And here's some other videos I know will help you along the way.